wise one. Oh, wise one. Oh, wise one. I got
four-legged wise one.
I am four-legged wise one. I am a spider.
You are like a spider. Stay like that. Be like a two-headed, four-legged wise one. Get up a little bit.
I am.
Yeah. No, put your head up so that it's like you have. But then stay a little. Yeah, and now move your legs.
It's like I'm four-headed, two-headed.
You're like a spider. Wait, put your head up.
Once I'm like this, it looks like I have arms and spider legs. Oh, and when I have two heads.
Yeah. Put your head in so you have two heads.
I'm spider no head. No, let me try and
Spider head on sugar. Oh my god.
Look at that.
What is that?
I have no idea. It's freaking, yeah.
It's really freaky.